The big things for us that we see are first of all, an increased reliance on the cloud. So an increase in actual spending on cloud infrastructure deployments, whether those are in the deep cloud or at distributed cloud locations like edge. So we think that the continuation of cloud spending is going to increase significantly. And that leads to another challenge for enterprise IT leaders, which is all about how do you get visibility and observability into this new multi-cloud deployment that you're working with. It's a really large challenge, and being able to gain insight into not only what's happening in your own cloud, but in multiple cloud operators environments that you're working with is a big challenge. And so the increased spend in software and automation tools to help in mastering those tasks is another area of priority that we spend a lot of time looking at. Related to that is people figuring out, how do you do this at a reasonable cost so that you're actually getting some reasonable return, or you're managing to your expenses. So timing your expenses and timing your investments across those multiple cloud environments is another big area of focus that needs extra attention. So we're spending a good amount of time helping clients figure out what's going to be our most cost-effective path to doing that. And I would say the final major driver that we're really digging into is the union of what's often been called operations technology with information technology, meaning things that are driving vertical sectors like manufacturing automation or digitally powered healthcare environments, linking in with the broader IT infrastructure, whether that's private or multi-cloud. That's a new adventure for people on both sides of the aisle in that regard. People who have been running factories or running hospital infrastructures need to work really hard to integrate their operations successfully with the executive information systems or the business intelligence systems that now are closely linked with them. So this combination of OT and IT is another big area of spend that affects things like analytics, AI, and also multi-cloud infrastructures. One thing about ACG is that we're comprised of highly experienced analysts who are coming from long careers already in either implementing large-scale infrastructures or building products to support those infrastructures. So we're bringing a tremendously experienced eye to the categories that we're researching, and we have a really rich blend of disciplines that comes together in doing the analysis, from networking and computing to automation and AI, and then substantially doing some really significant economic analysis on what actually makes for good solutions in the combinations that people are deploying now. So it's this combination of experience and an eye to the practical outcome that really differentiates us.